Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to share screen in Google Meet. So I will quickly create an instant meeting, and right now in order to share your screen you will have to go right here to this button Share Screen. Click on it and you can choose if you want to share a Chrome tab, window or entire screen. As you can see, I have two screens, so I can pick which one I want to share, or I can share the Chrome tab like you can see right here. So it is really simple. If you want to share also the audio of this tab, just make sure this is enabled. If you don't want to share the audio from the tab, just disable this. Then simply pick this one that you like and then press share. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.